In this video, I will try to recreate this report using group by function. Let me start with group by function. In row fields argument, I will refer zone column including header. In values argument, I will refer sales column including header. In function argument, our final result has two columns for max and min. So I will try to horizontally stack both functions using hstack function. In array 1, I will refer max. In array 2, I will refer min. Let me close parenthesis for hstack function. In field headers argument, since our final result includes headers, I will select option 3 here. In total depth, we don't need any totals here, so I will select 0. Let me close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. This will end up with more transformation steps than necessary. So I will choose a method with fewer steps. I will exclude headers in row fields and values argument. Since we exclude our headers here, in the field headers argument, I will select 0 and I will press Ctrl Enter. This almost looks like our final result, but top left cell is blank. In order to get zone in top left cell, I will use a trick here. For that, I will declare a variable using let function. You can provide any variable name here. I will use a, which will hold the result of group by function. Then I will create 2 by 2 array, which will start with our header zone. For that, I will use expand function. In array argument, I will refer A1 cell, which contains zone. In rows argument, I will place 2. In columns argument, I will place 2. Let me close parenthesis for expand and let, and I will press Ctrl Enter. This contains hash and A's around top left cell. Now I will use IFNA function. If there are hash and A's in the result of expand function, fill it with our variable A, which is the result of group by function. Let me close parenthesis for IFNA and let, and I will press Ctrl Enter. This is our expected result. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.